So now let us take a look at how we can utilize the artboards of Illustrator inside of Adobe Dimension. So first of all, I'm going to bring in a 3D model. So let me just bring in this t-shirt right now. So I can just go around here and rotate this out. So what I want to do is I want to have type of a print in this t-shirt. So what I want to do is I'm going to select the t-shirt right here. I'm going to go into File, and then I'm going to go into Import right over here, and then I'm going to select Place Graphic on Model. So let me just select this out, and now I'm going to select an Illustrator file. So this Illustrator file actually has 4 layers. So let me just open this up and show this to you. So I'm opening up my Illustrator right over here. And this is the Illustrator file, as you can see. So I got 4 artboards right over here. So they are named like this. So these are in the same layer, so it doesn't matter, but there are 4 artboards right here. There's artboard 1, there's artboard 1 copy right over here, as you can see, and there's artboard 3 and 3 copy right over there. So these are the 2 artboards for the dragon-like creatures and the 2 artboard for the patterns, as you can see right there. So I got 4 artboards over here. So now I'm just going to import that out. So I'm going to press open, and once I press open, the graphic gets placed, as you can see right over there. So the graphic is getting placed, and I can double click on this and move this wherever I want. I can even resize this out and place it wherever I want, as you can see right here. So let's just resize it just like this and place it over here. So another thing I want to do is I want to add in the pattern as well. So it is in the same file. So what I can simply do is I can go to File right here. I can go to Import. I can go to Place Graphic on Model. I'm going to bring in the same Illustrator file. So let me just open that out, and you can see that another iteration of the dragon actually comes in. But I don't want the dragon, I want the pattern over here. So I can go over here onto the graphic. Here I have the image right over here, as you can see. So I'm in the t-shirt. You can see that right now you're not on the t-shirt selection. You have to double click on the pattern itself, the logo itself, so that you get to this area right over here. And then what you have to do is you have to click on the image right over here. That is the image. In the properties, go to the image, and over here you'll be able to find the artboard right over here. So there's artboard 1, so you can do artboard 2, and you can see that I get the other logo, but I don't want the other logo right now. I want the pattern, so I'm going to say artboard 3 just like this. So let me just rotate this around. So let me just rotate this around over here by using the handle, and I'm going to resize it out just like that, as you can see. But what I want is I want the dragon logo on the top. So I'm just gonna click it again, double click on this until you get to the scene, and over here you can see that these are the layer options. So the graphic is on the top, so I'm just gonna bring the first graphic onto the top right here, and there you go, just like that. Now you have the other graphic on the bottom and this graphic on the top. Let me just resize this out as well, and there you go, you got the t-shirt design right over here. So now let us have a variation of the shirt design over here as well. So I'm just going to make a copy of this by holding Alt and dragging it out. So now, since we know that all of the artwork is in the same file, I don't have to import it again. I can simply double click over here. I can go to Image and select Artboard 2, and there you go. I got the other shirt right over there, just like that. I can just go over here, hold Alt, drag it down right here, just like that. And what I can do now is I can just choose another graphics again. So I can go over here and go over to this graphics and choose another artboard, that is artboard 4 for the yellow color. Same goes for here. I'm going to go around here onto the artboard graphics, and I'm going to choose the yellow color right over here. And just like that, you can see that that is how you can create variation just like that. And everything is in the same place, as you can see. So everything has the same pattern. It's in the same option right over there. And also go over here. Let me just change the shirt itself as well. So let me just add in, work around with the shirt color as well. So you can see that over here. If I were to go into the shirt, double click. Okay, so just select the shirt right over here. And if I were to double click, you go on to the shirt material, I can over here change the base color of the shirt as well. So I can have some variation. So let me just say that this is more like a yellow shirt right over there. This one, okay, this is going to be more of yellow shirt as well. Let me just change the color of the material right over here. So something like this. And this one over here as well. So this is going to be another color of shirt. I'm gonna choose something like dark blue, okay. And this one over here as well, something like black. All right, so I got 4 shirts, as you can see right over here. And this was quite quick to make as well. So you can just get the designs, keep the logos, and change the look. You can also go over here, of course, onto the graphic change its roundedness over here for the reflection, just like that. And you can also change the metallic look right here, so you can make it more shiny if you want to. So let's make this one, the dark shirts, more shiny. So let me just go over here, go on to the graphic, make it more metallic, just like that. Over here, I can also use the t-shirt and make it more metallic as well. So you can give a different look, like a shiny look over here, while there's no shiny look over here, as you can see, just like that. So I got 4 shirts right over here with different designs, as you can see. So I can also add and throw in a background there and so forth to make it look more interesting. So I'm just going to do that as well. For example, I'm just going to throw in a background just like this. And if I were to go to the render preview, then you'll be able to see everything in detail. So render preview is on, and now you can see that that is how it looks. And that was quite quick. And you can see that that is how you can just add in your own textures, your own logos in a variety of ways, and then utilize the artboards in Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.